Okay, so I am getting started on Trent's seat. It's all torn down. Have to build up the base a little bit, make the cup holders sit high enough. There's some springs that we ran into, so I built it up just about 1/2 inch. And that looks like that's going to be enough. And then the material will add a little bit more too with a little bit more foam, probably 1/4 inch foam right there. So that should sit in there nicely. Show you the hole. Just cut a hole, put a piece of cardboard in the bottom to kind of stabilize it. See, there's the spring right there that I ran into, so had to build it up a little bit higher. This is the design we're looking to do. We'll see how close we can get to that. And I guess we will update you on the progress and let you know how it goes. Okay, so this is the scary part. Cutting these holes. You can see I already started for the cup holders. Oh yes, that was on purpose. Here's the seat. And yes, I'm cutting holes right now for the cup holders, just kind of filling where they are and then making little slits. So there's one cup holder in. There's the other ones, just got little pie pieces to make the holes for it. Make sure you don't cut them too big. So here is the bottom seat with the cup holders in. And we need to steam it still, get rid of these wrinkles. That's where the seat belts will go through. There it is. Okay, so I'm getting started on the back part of Trent's seat. I've drawn on here where I want the pattern to go, and then I'll just trace it on here and go from there. Here's how the seat turned out. I steamed it a little bit to get the wrinkles out. So it's a little bit wet still. Thought the cup holders turned out good, and decided to do the French seams pretty much all the way around on the corners and stuff. And then I'm moving on to the door panels. Trying to see if I'm going to use this frame or not, but I'm trying to cut it out. This is a waterproof door panel board. These are the old ones, and we'll see how those look. So I mapped out a similar design on the door panel and started sewing it. So here's all my strings hanging out. I'm going through and tying off the edges so that there's no back stitch on the front side. And then I'll go through and stitch the other way, and it'll make our diamonds. And here are the finished door panels. And everything is done now.
And check out the door panels that are built up to match the seat and the rest of the interior there. So I'll get those installed, but there's just a look at those against the door, which the bottom half will stay black metal. So yeah, love them. Okay, welcome back to T.O.'s Garage. This is a follow-up to the videos that I got from Julianne on the seat. So got that back from her, and this is the pictures of the seat installed. I'm just really happy with how that turned out. Looks so good. The vision in my mind was which was sketched out on a piece of paper, is now realized that just looks so good. It's the color scheme that I was after, black against a saddle tan, a little black mixed in, and had an idea for putting cup holders in the base of the seat there, kind of the last minute, but I'm so glad I caught that and we were able to throw that in, and she did a great job putting those in. They'll work for holding the delicious Mountain Dew as well as my iPhone, and should work out great. So I'm really happy. There's the seat installed on the base. Painted that up black to kind of go with the rest of the black metal inside here. As I get this more put together, you'll be able to see kind of the rest of the vision there, but yeah, just really happy with how that turned out. Black stitching on a tan vinyl, which just as durable and nice feeling as leather is. But yeah, there's a look at it installed. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll get some pictures and videos together and get this posted up.